Okay guys, we're back. If I sound muffled, I do have on my dust mask because I forgot how nasty it was in here the last time. So I'm being careful this time. Make sure because don't still might not be that clean in here. As you see, we just took this trim off. Alright, it's no good. See that? It's no good. The trim is no good. Nice trim. We can get these little plastic tips off of here. Other than that, it's no good. Yeah, I think we can take these little plastic tips off of here. Clips, not tips, clips. So I'm gonna throw that to the ground, and then we're gonna have to unloosen all these screws. Gotta pay attention to these screw size because I want to know exactly what type of screw goes back in it. That's it right there. Let me get a close-up shot on that. Oh, it dropped. Get a close-up on it so I can know exactly. Can't see that well. Let's see. Yeah, get a close-up on that so I can know what type of screw goes in there. Throw it in the box. Let's go. Let's take out all of them. Might not have to take out all these, but I'm gonna take them all out. I'm gonna take them all out. Okay, those are all out. Let's see what we're gonna do here. Let's see. Bezel, that all comes out together. Right here. Okay. See. Get it up with the screwdriver. See my lap. Okay. Should be able to pry this one off. This little trim right here is actually good. Okay. Let's see if we can pull it off. Pry it off. Think we can. Hold on. Let's see. I don't want to break it, but I feel like I might break it. Okay. Don't want to break it. Feel like I might break it. Okay. Screw here on the side. Screw on the side right here. Should be able to come out now. There we go. There we go. And that is all. That's actually is in good condition, so we will keep that one. And got some more screws back here. This bezel, this would be a nice bezel, but I don't know. I gotta look at it now. I don't need to look at it because it's damaged. It is damaged. See it? I don't know if I can get a good look. If you look at it right there, see that burn? Right there, it's burnt. So, bezel is not good. It's not good. It's not good. Bezel is not good. Oh man, it's a tough screw. I have to sit you guys down right here. Tough screw. I'm gonna have to see. I can come. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Got him. Okay. Should be able to pull this out now. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me put the other front one on. Okay. Should be able to see that. Unplug these like so. Okay, well, pull that off. And this, it looks to be in okay condition. Once you get this little burn, little crust off of it, I think this piece might be okay. So yeah, this might be okay. I think it's good. Put it in the box. Okay. One more screw with the bezel here. Okay. Adjust this down. I really don't want. Well, I shouldn't have to. Take out the stirring column to get this out. Oh, okay. Okay, guys. We might have some better parts than we thought. We might have some better parts than we thought. Okay, so this is the only piece that's burnt. So this is pretty much no good, not unless you want to look at this. Not unless you want to stay looking at this burntness around here, and I don't think anybody want to do that. Got a good little air vent right here. You can take this air vent off, and it'll still be good. Yeah, I don't think this comes off. It maybe does, I don't know, but yeah. I'm gonna put this in the box anyway because it still got some good pieces on it. Yeah, so okay, so now this part of the bezel is actually, if I don't break it, it actually is good. Let's see. Now if I break it, it won't be no good. I think I might end up breaking it because I don't know what it's holding on to. It's holding on to something. I wonder if it's a clip or something. It's holding on to something. Okay. I don't know what it is. Let's see. It's another screw. Oh yes, it's another screw, guys. It's another screw. It's hidden. It's hidden. Can't see it. Oh, and I can't get it. Okay. I'm gonna have to use this to get it out of there. There we go. Thought I was gonna break it. Okay. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Last screw. And this, which I thought was one piece, this is actually good. We can clean it up and this will be fine. Yeah, this will clean up good. So yeah, we got another one. I thought that was one big piece. But yeah, that's good. Sure is. That's a keeper. Now the radio. See the radio. Oh, you can't see that radio. Okay. We gotta get this thing out of here. Yeah. I don't think I'm keeping the radio. Don't think I'm keeping the radio because if we're gonna go with we go with the one with the navigation on it, we definitely won't be keeping this. I mean, I think it's, you know, I think this one is definitely usable. It has some like little burn marks on it, but for the most part it looks decent. Oh man, I gotta dig that screw out of there. Pull this one out. Okay. See. Okay. Alright. Out comes the radio. Let's put it down this bar. You gotta be careful, you don't want to break nothing. You don't want to mess up those speakers, so gotta be careful. I'm gonna stick this far. This one ain't there. We just need a part off of that, so I'm gonna throw that in back here. Okay, we're doing good. We're doing good. Okay. Alright, it actually don't look bad back here, so I don't think I'm going to get rid of the full dash. I think more or less we're definitely gonna change up the dash pad. That's a given. Dash pad is definitely gone. We can't keep it. Look at it, for goodness sake. It's toast. It's toast. But pad itself, but the metal skeleton is good, and we're gonna keep that. Yep, the metal skeleton is good, and we're going to keep that. Okay, so now let's change out. Let's see if we can get it here. Let's change out these screws. Gotta take them out. See how long we got here. We got that long on this video. It's about to end, guys. So, see you in the next one, but let's continue until that happens, okay? Okay. Screw down here. Screw right here. Okay. Oh, God. I gotta sit up. Old man got a cramp. Oh. Whew. Jesus. This door keeps flapping back. Had to put something behind it. Okay. Alright, cramp is gone. Okay, let's get back in here. Now, that screw back right here. Right there. Right there. Let's get them out. Okay. Now, see some movement. Yeah, a little movement. This should be a piece of cake, I tell you. Let me hook it down here. This is a different little screw. So I'll make sure I get a good look at that. So the camera can know. Because I won't remember, I can tell you that now. I won't remember this screw goes there. So now I will rewind this film back, this video, and I would know that it goes there. Okay, the ones like this can stay in here. Cause yeah, I think. Yeah, they can stay in there. Okay. Yeah, look at all the ones that's stuck. Okay. See. Okay. Got one down here. We gotta get. Okay, let's get that. Oh. Okay. Okay, this one gonna be a little stubborn. See if this one. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. Got one. Okay, we got one out. Now with this one is acting a little funky. Yeah, oh, I got you. Okay. So I have to come on out, huh? Alright. Guess we will be putting the cluster out of here.